Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. Happy New Year, first of all. Wait, this isn't even my first video. The Dubai skydiving was the first video of the new year, but this is the first video where I'm actually speaking, and it is the new year, you know? So happy New Year's. Yeah, today's video is gonna be something that I've wanted to make for a while, but I just didn't have time. And it is a messy high bun tutorial. Sorry about that. A messy high bun tutorial. I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's almost wash day, so I thought, you know, why don't I just get it out the way? And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Hold on, this is... Okay, is this too high? Honestly, I don't know. Do I need more light? Definitely not. Okay, I'm just gonna get into it. Oh, gosh, I just slipped. Okay, so for the messy high bun, without gel, yes, you heard me, you're gonna need like 2 or 3 things. Or however much you want, whatever. The first and most important thing is a brush, like so, just a normal boar bristle, not that combing out brush, a boar bristle brush. Then you're gonna need some water. Guys, the water looks brown, but it's not. This is just mad dirty. You know what? Whatever. I promise it's not brown. I'll replace it for you, and it's still gonna be the same color. It's just, see, there's no water in it. It's just tinted brown towards the bottom, and I don't know why. I mean, this is a really old plastic bottle, so maybe I should probably replace it. It's not dirty water. We do not use dirty water in our hair. And the third thing you're gonna need is some conditioner of your choice. I have this laying around, so I'm gonna use this. And this is the organics. I love organics, so yeah. And some little mini extra tools you'll need is either something like this or the, you know, for your edges, whatever. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your hair out of this. My hair, I don't even know how my hair is looking like right now. Tomorrow's wash day, that's why my hair looks like a hot mess. But I feel like this hairstyle works really good when your hair is like stretched. My hair's kind of stretched right now because it's been 2 weeks, so you know, all the hairstyles, your hair is just like kind of old and not as fresh and bouncy, you know what I mean? So that type of hair is the best for this hairstyle. Okay. Okay. So the first thing you're gonna do is spray your hair. Just a little bit of water, not even like really spray it, just that's it. And you're just gonna kind of brush it like so. I have no edges, but it's okay, they will grow back eventually. And then spray a little bit on the back, not too much. You don't even want to get it damp. You just want to spray it so you're not brushing tough ass dry hair. And yeah. And then the next thing we're gonna do is, hold on, yeah, maybe I need a little more water. Yeah, I dragged it. Okay, maybe like that. Next thing you do, you're gonna take 1 pump of conditioner, and you're just gonna, like so. Notice I'm putting nothing on the actual length of my hair. Everything's just like the, you know, the actual part. And you're gonna put 1 pump of conditioner on the back of your hair too. Like so. And then you're gonna brush that shit. Getting close. See? guys, my pimples are out on display. Don't worry about them. Like so. And then, see, your your high bun is already coming together. Now the front of my hair, woo, especially these little sections, do not slick down whatsoever. So I'm just gonna put a little bit extra on them. Keep in mind, this is a messy bun, so we're not trying to have some slick type thing, you know. Now I'm gonna use this brush because this brush be getting them. This brush be doing the damn thing. Okay. After that, you're gonna put your hair in a ponytail. Now I always flip my hair over and make it because I want it all the way out the top of my head. Okay, so this is what we got. Yes, there's a whole bunch of lumps and bumps sticking out, but keyword messy. Fuck. You have to remember, this is messy. After that, you literally just take your hair like so. You just kind of put it into like a bun of your choice. I'm gonna choose this type of thing, like so. And then you take another one and you just kind of secure it like so. Just kind of mix it. So I'm working with this. I like it. You could just play it around. Maybe you could even have like a piece hanging out like that or whatever. But I'm not really into that. So that. So now your bun is complete. Now it's time for your edges. The thing about a messy bun is that you do not lay your edges. What you do is you just take them out. So I'm taking my edges out. I'm taking them out alright. A little bit down here, like so. Sorry guys, I'm looking in the mirror, so you're taking them out. You're taking them out. So my edges are out. But I'm not about to take some gel or conditioner and lay them 100%. This is all you do. You bring them out, but you don't secure them. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, they're gonna start looking crazy, but that's the whole point because it's a messy bun. And guys, that is literally it. That's how easy the messy bun is. Let me get some good lighting because we all know that bathroom was a hot mess. Let's go. Yes. This is a messy bun. Messy little bun. Messy. Messy bun. Messy edges. Messy shape. Messy slick. Because it's not even slick. Anyways, guys. That's really it. Thank you for watching. And I'm gonna be, I know I did a messy high bun, so I'm gonna do a slick low bun, you know, to balance it out. So stay tuned for that video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in my next video.